Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn Class 9 Physics Chapter Hydrostatics, and this is part 2. In this part we are going to learn from the topic that is factors affecting the pressure at a point in a liquid. In previous part we have learned the introduction, half introduction. Today we will continue it. Factors affecting the pressure at a point in a liquid. We know that P is equal to HdG. P is equal to HdG. Pressure at a point in a liquid depends on, first point is height of liquid column. Height of liquid column from liquid surface. From liquid surface. Second is density of liquid. Density of liquid. And third point is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. First is height of liquid column. Pressure at a point inside the liquid increases with the depth from the free surface of the liquid. Example 1 is, take water in a beaker and make holes at different points. If this is beaker, we made holes at these two different points. If this is point A, this is point B, the beaker is filled of water. The water will come out from these holes. Like this. Water comes out with two pressures from two holes. The water coming out of the hole B strikes at a far away distance on the ground. The water coming out of the hole A strikes at less distance on the ground. This indicates that the pressure at B is more than the pressure at A. Therefore, we can conclude that the pressure of a liquid increases with an increase in depth. Example 2 is, take a funnel and cover its mouth tightly, stretched rubber from the balloon. Connect the stem of the funnel to a rubber tube. Connect the other end of the rubber tube to the manometer. Now immerse the funnel at different heights and note the readings of the manometer. The manometer reading shows an increase in pressure with an increase in depth of the dipped funnel. Second is density of a liquid. Pressure at a point inside the liquid at a given depth increases with the increase in the density of the liquid. Pressure increases with the increase of density of a liquid. Density of mercury is 13.6 times the density of water. Density of mercury is 13.6 times the density of water. This makes the pressure at the bottom of mercury beaker 13.6 times the pressure at the bottom of the same beaker with water. Third point is acceleration due to gravity. From the formula P is equal to HdG, the more the gravity, the more the fluid pressure. The more the gravity, the more the fluid pressure. Here H and D are the constants. Acceleration due to gravity at the pole is more than at the equator, and hence fluid pressure will be more at the poles than at the equator. Then there is the topic that says factors which do not affect fluid pressure. This we learned factors affecting fluid pressure, and now we are going to learn factors which do not affect fluid pressure. Now, first is the fluid pressure is same in all the cases because it is independent of the shape and size of the container. Second is from second is even though this area of the cross section of the containers is not same, the pressure is the same. Thus, the pressure is also independent of area and cross section of the container. And third is pressure is independent of the direction too. So I'll write in short. Pressure is independent of shape, size, area, shape and size of the container, area and directions. Now there are some laws of liquid pressure. First is pressure at a point inside the liquid increases with the depth from the free surface of the liquid. Second is pressure at a point inside the liquid at a given depth increases with the increase in the density of the liquid. Third is pressure is the same in all directions or about a given point within the liquid. Fourth is pressure is same at all points in a horizontal plane at a given depth in a stationary liquid. A liquid seeks its own level. I hope you have understood till this. This part 1 and this part was the whole theory of the hydrostatics pressure introduction. In part 3 we are going to solve questions based on this whole topic. We'll solve few questions, and then from part 4 we are going to start about buoyancy and Archimedes principle and relative density. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 3 with new information. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link that is given in the description of our video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.